Hello. So, a couple days ago, I ran into a problem when trying to use my text editor. I typed in some items for groceries, then I forget why, but I brought up Firefox, and when I went back to the text editor, everything I typed was gone. So, I went to the message boards of the MIT App Inventor and asked if there was a way I could save the contents of the text box whenever the program was put into the background. And I was given another extension from Taifun to use along with the built-in database. So I'll put a link below. Here is, let's see, is that it? Yep. Okay, it's just called Tools. And it gives an example, activity state changed. I'll show you how that works. The top, there's Tools extension, that's quite a bit. Anyway, it's at the very, scroll to the very bottom to download it. So anyway, download that, put it in your extensions, then throw it onto the phone. You'll see it down here. And then for, let's see, it's in storage, I believe. Yeah, tiny database. Put that on the phone. Then in blocks, you can put it anywhere. I decided to kind of put it after the variable and the procedure here. Oh, and when the screen initializes. Anyway, so what you do is you go down to the Taifun Tools 1 and you click when activity state change. Then you can use text or math equals, they work out the same. Anyway, you get state, and then if it equals pause, you then save the main text box text to the tiny database, give it a tag of whatever you want. That just lets you know which database you're saving to. And then when the state equals resume, of course you get pause and resume, you have to pull these out and type in or cut and paste pause and resume, all lowercase. When it resumes, I'll show you about the if then else too in a second. Anyway, then you set the text with the data of the database, tiny database. You give the tag, and if nothing's in it, you can have it put whatever you want. I just have it give it nothing, just an empty string, because theoretically that's what it was there originally. There was nothing to save, so there's nothing to return. Anyway, when it comes to if then else if, it doesn't have that specifically, but here, I'll just bring this out and show it to you. You click here, you get rid of the last else, because in this case we don't need it. And that's how you get the if then else if then without the final else. Okay, so put that in, then rebuild and reinstall. And now whenever you're typing something, if your whole program loses focus, goes in the background, what have you, when you get it back, all the text you type should still be there. That's it, and next video we'll start making a game. Thank you, and goodbye. Oh, and take it easy. Bye.